download, install, and choose free cursors. Computer customization has come to a point that you can change virtually all aspects of your computer's appearance, from the color scheme, desktop background, window borders, and even the cursors. Modern OSes like Windows Vista and Windows 7 come with theme packs that define the background, color scheme, sounds, and cursors as a collection. You can download several themes, including those that are attuned to nature, architecture, sports, gadgets, and the like. When it comes to cursors, you can literally choose from about 7,000 or so cursor sets from the internet. Many of these are in color. Some are animated, even. Some come with additional animations, like tails, and other movements that make computing a fun experience. Changing cursors is a good way to customize your computer, and can be a good way for kids to enjoy computing. What you need: a computer powered by Windows, an internet connection, web browser. How to do it: open your web browser and visit a cursor download site. One such example is CursorKingdom.com. Look for the "Click here to start" button. You will be asked to agree to the terms of use. This will inform you of the services that come with the free cursors, and how to uninstall the browser toolbar that comes with the cursors. If ActiveX is turned on in your browser, then you can safely proceed to the next step. Otherwise, you will be prompted to turn on ActiveX. With newer Internet Explorer versions, this is a matter of clicking a link on a yellow banner at the top of the browser, which will verify whether you want to turn ActiveX on. Click Download now to get a copy of the cursor application. When the download is complete, click Run to execute the installation wizard. You might be prompted to agree to the license again. When the installation finishes, click Finish. Close your browser and reopen it to find the toolbar installed. On the browser toolbar, click Cursor Mania. This will bring up a box with a choice of cursors. Scroll through the Cursor Mania box to select a cursor to your liking. You can do a search by category or subcategory. When you find something you like, click on it. You can easily reset to your default cursor by pressing the Reset button. Some tips: if you no longer want the browser toolbar to appear, go to Add/Remove Programs in Control Panel and delete or uninstall the Cursor Mania application from there. Other websites offering free cursors include cursors-4u.com, cursors.funutilities.com, totallyfreecursors.com. Aside from your cursors, You can easily change the look of your desktop by choosing a different desktop background, screensaver, and color scheme. If you are using Windows Vista or Windows 7, you can easily install new themes on your computer. Visit the Microsoft Personalization Gallery at windows.microsoft.com. Themes include background wallpapers, color schemes, screensavers and sounds. The site also contains gadgets, which are small applets that present information in an unobtrusive way.